Welcome to Rolly Studio Global. Today we are going to learn beautiful accessories for the cotton saree, and this accessory we are going to make from the waist cloth of the blouse. And this is the saree already I worked, and how to make this bow and make the normal saree into designer saree, and it turned very well into a designer saree. And today video will tell you the improvisation what I have made for its accessories, and it is extremely good and all will love this video. And 4 silk threads I have, and 3 bangles, one is broader and 2 more are thinner. It's like a border. And then one bow which I made for the saree. I have to make some accessory out of that, and this is the base for making jhumkas, glue and few materials to make the jewelries. And this is the stud which I bought. It is just 10 rupees a pair, and which can be useful for jhumka. And this is the stem, stopper stem, and few beads, rope for the necklace, and that rope is 15 rupees nearly. And these are hooks, so hooks will be helpful to hold this thread into that. And rings, something, and when you ask in the shop, and they will give all the necessary materials needed for jewel sets. Just you take 100 vines of 3 colors, each 100 vines. So first I have sandal, and then blue and green. So each 100 vines I have taken, so it is thicker, and all the 3 together you make a knot at one end, maybe the extreme end, without leaving any gap. You stitch very tightly with more vines and fix that in the exam pad so that it will hold that tightly, and go for just making a braid out of that. It's so nice to see, and even to do. I enjoy doing it. See, it's coming like a pearls are threaded together. Like that you complete the whole length. So using this we are going to make neck accessory. It is over, and tie the last end also as tight as possible, and fold it. Again wind it very tightly with any colored thread. Like that, one more end is also done. And this is the cup which is provided from the shop. It's available in different sizes. I have bought this size because the 300 vines, we made a braid using 300 vines, so that it will exactly fit into that thickness. And I arranged toppers into that already and let them dry for a while. Meantime we will go for the remaining things. See, I have used some baking powder box. It is 150 vines, so I am making a very small tassels out of that. So all 3 colors together, whatever we used in the braid, you can use here also. So each color 2 tassels I am making. Use toothpick to wind it tightly. Later you can take out the toothpick and make the process little fast, and make as many vines as possible so that it is tight, and trim all the tassels to the same length, so they are exactly finished like a professional. So now I am going to stick them or stitch them with the neckline which we have made. See, I have 4 different colors. In this way I am going to stitch them. Any color thread out of this 4 you can use to stick them together. So you fix at the back and go for stitches so that it is invisible from the front side. Color arrangement is your wish. Go for different arrangements. Whichever satisfy you, you can fix that arrangement. So I fixed with red, green, after that sandal, like that. So this is a beautiful necklace which will fit to the saree. Very, very, very nice. The cup is dried almost, so that let us complete that process also. I am just cutting the extra length of that rod and make a ring out of that, so that I can fix it to the neckline. very tightly, apply gum. So this glue is very strong. The cap will fit into that braid so tightly, and which is already extended with the ring. From the ring we can attach the rope very easily. And now let us see how bangles are going to be made. Bangle also I am going to use the cloth. So cut 1.5 inch piece of the cloth. Half of the bangle I am going to cover with this cloth, and this is exclusive because you cannot get them in any shop. We are customizing it. That is the lovely thing in craft work, and we are using the waste cloth for that. How innovative and how conservative. And I am making 20 winds of red color thread. So one side, one half of the bangle is covered with the cloth. That cloth I first made gum and fixed with the bangle. Later, to make it so tight, I just wound with the white color thread. Later, once it is dried, we can remove the thread. Now using the red color 20 winds we had, so that I am winding on the bangle. Not remaining half, only quarter portion of the bangle is covered with thread. And starting, you start with the glue, and ending also you apply glue and finish it. In the same way you go for making blue color also. So the bangle consists of half of the cloth, remaining part with 2 colors or 3 colors to your desire. In the same way you complete the bangles. Side bangles also with 2 different colors. See, one I made with sandal and green, another I made with red and blue. So all colors are there. Even if you want, you can attach cloth to the side bangles also. Now how I am going to make jhumki, I will show you. And you cut the cloth into triangular shape. Ensure that the cloth used has multi colors of the saree. So I preferred this cloth because it had a flower in which we have both blue color and yellow color, so that I felt this would be nice. So just apply glue and fix it over. Fold it inside. The inward folding will frequently come out, so that to make it further firm, I use the cap of that glue and fix tightly. See, already I have made one and dried it, so we will use that to make further things. So it is the needle, it's Kamal work needle, so it is not with the sharp edge, it is blend edge, and easily any number of strands will go into that. So that I prefer this type of needle, because that hole, it's difficult to use our fingers and wind it, so that needle will help you a lot. So first one part I covered with blue, and then red and green. So see, the jhumki is very colorful and apt to the saree, which is with the cloth and 3 more colors. Very lovely. Now how to finish it I will show you. I am using the stem. To that stem has one side a ring, and it is extended with the rod. And that stopper is not enough for this hole, because hole is little bigger and the stopper, that ring is very small, it's coming out of the jhumki. So what I did was using a bead inserting, so that bead size must be bigger than this hole in the jhumki. So now it gives a very good stopping there, and this is umbrella type fitting for the jhumki, which is available in different shapes and different sizes. So you just buy the one which you love and fix it over, then a bead. After that, if you want, you can extend with further distance also, beads, art tubes, anything you can use over here, but I am satisfied with 2 beads plus 1 cup. So that I cut the remaining rod and make a ring out of that. So that a small ring, so that I cannot use the stud there, because it has to hang and swing. So that I am attaching one more ring to that. With this ring straightly I can add the stud which I have. The stud I bought because the stone what I used in the butterfly part which we made for the saree matches with this. So see how nicely a jhumka is made. Amazing. See, 3 colors and the same piece of the saree. Really looks amazing, guys. Superb. So now let us go for the hair clip. Why to leave that? Because it is easy to be done. So I just applied hot glue on a black color hair clip and just stuck this butterfly on that. Either you can have tassels or without tassels you can use. It will be a bow and you can use it for hair. So lovely things are made very simply. And now let me show you how to attach that rope. See, it has a ring already. Now I am attaching one more ring so that the dia will be more so easy to insert this rope to that. So rope has that clip, so clip can be straightly inserted into the ring, so it is ready to wear. Jhumka, bangle, hair clip and the necklace is ready, which is extremely good to see and matches very well to the saree, and the whole thing looks very amazing. Hope you loved this video. If you really love this, you can share it with your friends, like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye.